What's up, everybody? Shakira here. It is good to see you guys here with your smile face to see me. Okay, just joke. Today we are talking about a basic camera. So I'm gonna try to make this video in 3 minutes and I'm feeling good about it. So let's go, let's start.
First of all, set up your camera in manual mode. Press Q button to see the display. Let's start with the shutter speed. Shutter speed controls so many aspects of photography. If you want to get something moving fast and you want to stop the action and make sure that photo clear. Maybe you are taking photo of your kids or your pets and they are running around really fast and you want to make sure that they are not blurry. Here, an example of my friend just doing a side jumping to keep things easy. We will shoot this at 1/8,000 of seconds. You will notice everything is nice and sharp. Let's drop the shutter down to 320 of seconds. That's much slower, so it's opening and closing over more time. But that also make her legs move in frame because that shutter's not capturing it fast enough. So you will notice that there's a bit of image blur. Next, aperture. Aperture kind of has two uses in photography. Yes, it lets a ton of light in so you can get those nice bright images and have fast shutter speeds. But it also gonna change what's happening in the background. So, look at this portrait for example. This was captured with the aperture at f14. So, that's really small opening of light. All the detail is here, everything in the background. But we don't want to see all this stuff in the background. It's not the most pleasing background. So, if we open the aperture all the way up as wide as it goes to f2.8, it's gonna make everything in the background not in focus. Now, we are gonna have a ton of light coming in because it's opening all the way. The background is more shallow. It puts more focus on the subject. ISO. ISO comes into play is mostly in low light situation, indoors, at night, and then on the top of that, if we don't have enough light, we can crank up the ISO. For those of you who used to shoot film back in the film days, you would buy certain ISO film. From 400 ISO film, 800 ISO film. The best way to explain ISO is kinda like explaining it as a fake light. It's the sensitivity to the image sensor. When we are changing the ISO, we are changing the sensitivity of that sensor to light. Now, the better camera is the better they are in low light. The higher ISOs they can shoot at without getting grainy and noisy. So that's all for me guys. I hope you like this video. I will see you guys next time. Assalamualaikum. Bye.